Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Webull application on a desktop. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and type in webull.com and click on enter. After that, click on platforms option which is at the navigation bar. Now click on desktop app button. After that, you will find download for Windows option. Click on it. Your download will be started here. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. After your download is completed, you'll see a pop-up like this. Click on it. After the installation is completed, click on Finish button. So that is how you can download Webull application on a desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.